Gaming has become a common practice, and whether an active gamer or a passive gamer, everyone should need perfect gaming headphones. The headphones we reviewed deliver high-quality audio that can be used for both gaming and music listening purposes. There are many gaming headphones to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best gaming headphones from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Audio-Technica Gaming Headphone. The excellent build quality, critically acclaimed sonic performance, and advanced engineering have made this Audio-Technica APF M50X gaming headphone the most preferred and popular choice for professionals, gamers, and audio enthusiasts. This M50X is equipped with copper-clad aluminum wire voice coils and proprietary 45mm large aperture drivers with rare earth magnets to deliver exceptional sound quality. Its closed-back ergonomic design contours around the ears to provide excellent noise isolation for an effective gaming experience, even in noisy environments. With a wide frequency response range, this M50X delivers a sound with excellent clarity and deep bass response. It provides excellent positional audio that allows the user to pinpoint areas of interest in games or movies. Thus, it is a perfect choice for not only gaming but also for studio, DJ, live, or personal use. Its professional-grade thick padded earpads and headband offer a secure and comfortable fit to wear for long gaming sessions. Number 2. Beyerdynamic Gaming Headphone. Beyerdynamic is a renowned German brand that works with a passion to deliver outstanding sound quality that has garnered immense praise from audiophiles and professionals. These DT990 Pro wired over-ear studio headphones deliver exceptional audio quality wide stereo image and 3D sound reproduction that lets you immerse yourself in the world of pristine audio. Enjoy every nuance and detail in your favorite game or listen to music. Besides gaming, this classic headphone is also a perfect option for studio applications like professional mixing, mastering, and editing, thanks to its HD resolution and transparent, spacious sound. Its ergonomically designed circumaural, soft velour earpads keep the user cool for a longer time, and its robust spring steel headband can be adjusted to fit securely, so you can wear them comfortably for intense gaming sessions. While the open back design offers detailed tonal depth and exceptional spaciousness, yet won't offer any noise isolation and leaks the sounds from its back design. Number 3. Philips Gaming Headphone. Indulge in the notable audio experience offered by the Philips Fidelio X2HR headphones. They feature an iconic design with a perfect blend of style and sophistication to deliver impeccably clear and detailed sound while gaming or listening to music. It is equipped with powerful 50mm drivers with neodymium magnets that unveil the true essence of your music. The Fidelio X2HR delivers a well-balanced bass, transparent mid-range, and clear treble to ensure an immersive and captivating listening experience. While its acoustic open-back design enhances sound transparency by preventing the buildup of air pressure behind the drivers. This results in a more natural audio representation to enjoy your gameplay. The layered motion control drivers of these headphones have a multi-layered polymer diaphragm, incorporating a damping gel layer to absorb and dampen exaggerated frequencies. Number 4. HyperX Gaming Headphone. Introducing the HyperX Cloud Alpha Gaming Headset. Revolutionize your gaming experience with its groundbreaking features. This Alpha Gaming headset offers crystal-clear audio, unmatched comfort, and convenience to enjoy your uninterrupted gameplay or listen to your favorite audio. It is equipped with 50mm dual-chamber drivers that deliver unparalleled sound quality to take your audio clarity to new heights. Its exceptional sound reproduction lets you hear every detail with precision and distinction without any distortion. It boasts an over-ear closed-back wired design that features premium red memory foam, an expandable headband, and soft leather air cups to offer a secure fit and comfortable wear, even if used for intense gaming sessions, thanks to its perfect blend of craftsmanship and luxurious comfort. Its aluminum frame ensures durability and stability to withstand regular wear and falls. The inline audio controls at the detachable braided cable of the headset give you complete control over the audio, allowing you to adjust the volume or mute the microphone with ease at any time to have excellent command over your gaming audio. Number 5. Sennheiser Gaming Headphone. The next product on our list is from Sennheiser, a well-known audio brand that strives constantly for innovation and German engineering precision to deliver the best audio experiences. These Sennheiser HD660S wired over-ear headphones are a perfect blend of cutting-edge transducer technology, comfortability, and visually appealing design that definitely immerse you in the gaming world. With its new and improved transducers, the headphones deliver low harmonic distortion to enhance your gaming experience, as they allow you to feel every detail in the game music. These hand-selected transducers offer accurate left-right matching tolerance to ensure superior precision and presentation of stereospatial characteristics. It is widely compatible with home and mobile high-res audio devices via its para-aramid reinformed, detachable OFC copper cable. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.